Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Megalodon from Fortnite Wrecked. So let's get in there at the top and let's do that hair. He's kind of got a crazy amount of hair coming out the skull. So I'm just going to just draw sort of around here some like little curvy areas, sort of look a bit like flames, I suppose. Let's pop a few of those in, sort of like cross between a haircut and kind of flames coming out of his skull. All right, that's cool. A few little sort of extra effects going around. Like that, and then we're just going to cap it with the top of his like sort of skull area, so it kind of comes around, a bit of a curve down like that, curve out from the edge there, and we'll just do a little line here. This then comes out sort of where the cheekbone is, and sort of in, and then this comes out where his kind of like teeth are, so just going to do like some little pincer like teeth just here, bring that up where the cheekbone would be, out, and then up, around, and then that clips in, and this kind of comes down here, like that. Let's do a bit of a nose kind of going on here, so just going to do a little hint of that there. It kind of comes up here, and it's got kind of put a point there, and like evil looking eyes in there. I just pop one in there, and then one in here. A little bit of a kind of like brow area. Kind of just emphasizes like his evilness, and then you kind of got the teeth areas that kind of come out like this. Just shows a bit of detail off, I suppose. A couple of little points in there. All right, that's cool. It's kind of like a sort of jaw area, so a little sort of rectangle in there, and that kind of circular object that kind of goes around like a pipe around the back, like that. Then he's got an ear. Just pop an ear in here. And a bit of neck there. Then on this point, kind of like the mouth sort of comes down, like a pointed little chin, comes up and into this area here. And then again, we kind of got like some jagged teeth in there. All right, nice, that's cool. Just gonna go build up sort of the shoulder area there, and then a couple of sort of pipes come down sort of around here. Okay. Pop a little kind of chest area in, so it has kind of like two quite big sort of metallic parts that sort of make it look like it's got big pecs. Just draw those in there. A central kind of column in the middle. Join that up. That kind of comes down and out a bit there. This kind of comes down and out a bit there. Then it's kind of got loads of little sort of pistons and stuff, so it's going to do sort of a load of little oblongs along here. And just join those up. The little pistons there. Just put some lines in, all the way down there. Okay, that goes around to here. Kind of like some pipe work there. And he's got more pipes coming out of here, so he's going to come around and down the back, like that. And we've got these big old shoulders in, so put a big old shoulder there, so just a joint there. Then it's got a shoulder that comes in around here, a bicep there, a tricep area there. So like more kind of pipes and stuff he's got on this side, so I'm just gonna kind of draw that in there. They sort of come around, and we kind of got sort of a big sort of unit there around the top area of his arm. Same here, sort of a few sort of pieces that go around this point. See from the bottom of these points, we've got little pipes as well. Just join those areas up. And it's got one sort of here coming around as well. It's kind of got belt area here. some bigger sort of clip areas on the belt there. Another little belt area underneath, there we go. A couple of circles in there. Then around here he's got sort of like his top's all like ripped. So just draw some like ripped areas in there. Okay, for the trouser area, sort of have the middle section about there, and then kind of just come in like this. And it's got a pipe area that comes around, so just a wavy line there, a unit there. Same here, so you can just draw the leg coming out a bit here. It's got like a cylindrical object there. Then this kind of comes in, sort of joins up to this area here, like that. Cool. A couple of kneecaps going on, just like circular areas. Join up the leg areas there, and there's a few little straps, so it's got some clips here as well, so I'm just going to do a couple of straps across there. Just all adds to the detail. And then finally we kind of got his kind of boots, and this foot is sort of shaping out this way, so it's kind of like a bit of armour there, and then the boot kind of comes down and around here, his foot. And we just sort of show some lines, and it looks like it's a bit of a kind of piece of armour. This side kind of comes down like that. Comes across, there's another little bit along the top of the boot, and that comes across sort of here, back of the boot there, and it's kind of like linked up. Calf area here, bring it in, and then just pop the boot out this side here. Just pop those arms in, so I've got this hands in, sorry, kind of like, almost like a pincer-like, sort of here, and a few sort of little rectangles in there, and we'll just pop a little sort of thumb in, like finger area there. This side's similar sort of thing, so and it comes out like that. Kind of little jagged areas there, and a kind of just a hint of a thumb in there. And then what we can do is just add a little touch of detail. There's a few little sort of pipes in here as well that come around this area. And then what I think I'll do is a couple of little bits there, and what we can do is maybe just colour this bit in black around there, and just I think the top, let's just put that in black, so just fill that in. Into this area too. It's kind of like rips in his top here actually, so I'm just going to sort of colour around that. And then with the trouser area, I will do those dark grey, but these strap areas, let's just fill those strap areas in. Sort of those lines that we've created. Got a nice amount of kind of contrast now with the black area there, and then maybe just the boot area as well. Let's just fill that in black too, and then just around here, just give that idea. Maybe just leave a little bit of white around it. Boots aren't too shiny actually, but it just helps to add to the effect of that. Maybe we'll just join that up there. And then this side's kind of like got pipes on the side, so I'm just gonna do a couple of little black lines in there. Maybe just in where the arm goes round, a little bit of that black here too. And just bits there. Maybe just show his neck area in that point. It's quite dark here, so just gonna accentuate that sort of evilness at the top there. Cool, okay, right, let's get ourselves a nice sort of charcoaly colour, and we'll just sort of fill in all the other darker areas, so these trousers, around here. Let's fill this in. So just a little bit around these areas here. Back there, these trousers. Almost looks like a bit of sort of dark green, so I might just go grab one of those in a sec. So now this belt area too. Just filling around there. Cool. And then just a little bit more. Where this top is here, it kind of comes out just a little bit lighter. Just underneath there, just around there too. Okay, then we'll just grab ourselves a lighter grey and just start filling in some of these more metallic areas of our character. So just leaving a little bit of light on the left hand side there. I think that works pretty well. So we'll just populate those little bits sort of around here too. And then the mask area, so this sort of faceplate, just sort of popping that in. It's very light on this side underneath the eye there, so just going to make sure, leave a little bit so it shows that it's quite a metallic area. Right, pop those in there. This bit here can have that too. Okay, cool, alright. Let's just pop in a little bit of a skin colour first of all, which I think we'll just have to just pop a little bit in, and we can accentuate it afterwards. So just sort of going around there where the skin is, and this area, around here too. Sort of the hands, finger areas are there. Okay, just got a bit of that sort of hint of skin, and actually just a little bit there, maybe on the mask as well, just sort of, yeah, it gives it that tone. Then what we can do is get on ourselves a nice sort of vibrant yellow, just start filling that in around here, sort of the tips of his hair, his eyes are very yellow, so I'm just going to really pop those in. Nice zingy yellow there, it's in his mouth, got that sort of energy and power, so really vibrant yellow. And then the tubes around as well, what I'll do, I'll first of all just go around them all with this yellow, and we can work over it with a red and what we need to do afterwards. So I've got some yellow going on there, pipes there, and here as well. And at the back here, there's like pipes going on. So let's just populate those up. Yeah, that looks good. Just one there. Oh yeah, and just there too. There. Actually, a bit of skin colour going on just around in this area. So let's just fill those bits in. Okay, cool. Let's get ourselves a bit more of a sort of orangey colour now. Sort of a deeper yellowy orange. Just start filling a bit further in of our character. Just starting to sort of fill in those, get the, sort of like, let's put some like circular bits in. Maybe just populate those. Just little bits of energy going around these tubes on the character. Okay, that's pretty cool. There and there, around those areas, okay. Pop in a little bit of kind of red going on. Yeah, that's it. Just starts making our character work a bit better, a bit more interesting. Just a few little sort of dots around these areas, that's really cool. Just sort of enhances that sort of look of power going through these. And then what we can do then as well with this sort of more orangey colour is just start filling in this sort of skin area too. So let's just get a more chisely tip on this one and just is quite red, our character. So just where the skin is, just sort of fill in a few areas, make it look a little bit kind of red. There's sort of shaded areas there. That's cool. Yep, that's looking good. And then I've got to use a more vibrant red for some of the bigger red pieces here. So these bullet areas here, little pistons, they're looking red. Around here and here, these sort of tubes are a bit more reddy. And really just on the edges of these little blocks, these tubes, just a little bit of red on the edge of it. A few little dots there, and maybe just a little bit just kicking off around here. Just maybe a bit there and there too. Okay, I've just got myself a bit more of a sort of greeny looking pen. I'm just going to fill in some of these metallic areas. Just notice there's kind of like army green sort of going on, sort of muted green in some of these areas. I'm just going to sort of help add a bit of contrast to what we've already created. And that's it, that's starting to come together a bit now. Just around there, and I think actually in some of these areas, just go behind those there, these tubes here, they can be filled in. And then let's just, this little area here, just has a nice little bit of extra detail to our character, and maybe on the mouth, just go around the edge, just sort of fill in just a little bit of a hint of that going on, and maybe just a little bit of that deeper red as well, just sort of coming up, the power coming out that head area. There we go, kind of like just sort of flame-like kind of look, so quite like high voltage just on the edges of Megalodon. Cool, let's go back to that green. Just fill in some of those bits maybe we haven't already. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so then just taking that lighter red, let's just pop a little bit of power. There's a lot of power coming out of his head, so I'm just going to sort of show a little bit of that going on with a few sort of dots and straights of that, sort of showing like the heat and energy coming out of the top of him. Yeah, that's quite cool. Maybe just a little bit of the sort of orangey yellow as well, just sort of blended in a bit. Cool, okay, and then let's just put a little bit of area to ground him on, so a bit of a background sort of area around here. And then what colour should we do that? Let's get that nice sort of orangey yellow again, and just pop it on there. Just helps add a bit of colour and energy to our picture today. If you like what you're seeing, please do like and subscribe, it means a lot to the Art Draw channel. And I think that's it. So that is Megalodon. So Megalodon on Art Draw. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.